Well, good morning, YouTube. I am giving God the thanks for another day of His wonderful grace, mercy, peace, love, kindness, and long-suffering that He bestows upon men in this age of grace. Time and temperature check, it's 6:05. I currently am in Beeville and I'm fixing to take an hour drive to Corpus. And the temperature is currently it's 55 in Beeville. It says 57 today in Corpus. Winds are going to be out of the north at 16 to 25, so that's going to be the story today, is the winds. But I'm going to try to find some protection on the north side of the shorelines. I don't know what the winds don't know what the day holds, but yeah, I'm going to get out there and give it a shot. I appreciate you tuning in to my channel, Big O Fishing. Like and subscribe. Oh, good morning. Me and my cuate.
Morning.
We're out on the water this morning. We're going to give it a shot out here, see how well the fishing is. We picked a strategic spot to where we can stay out of this wind. The winds are protected to be up around maybe 15, 16 miles an hour. So we're going to see how that goes. But so far the water doesn't look too bad. It looks clear. Let me swing you around so you can see. Doesn't look bad at all. Got the sun coming up, and we thank God for this day. Autumn. Already, brother. Tighten up my drag a little bit. See what I got here. All right. Oh, that's a nice speckled trout. Oh yeah, that's a nice speckled trout. Boy, that's a nice speckled trout. Oh yeah, that's a nice speckled trout. Yeah. Oh, he's probably 19, 18 or 19. Speckled trout. Caught him on artificial shrimp, popping cork. Got him. Another speckled trout. Come over here, buddy. Huh? This might be a keeper here. Let me measure him. He looks like he might be 15. Kind of hard to tell. He might be a little shy. Let's find out. Well, let's see here. Just swing him around. Got him. Another small trout. I don't know. Let me see what he is. He might be bigger. Oh, a little trout. All right, buddy. Thanks for playing this morning. Got a hook out of him. Go. Wow, all right.
Oh man, wow. I wonder what happened. I wonder if I still got him. Oh wow, man, the line busted. Hey, get him, dude. There's a fish on here. Man, I need to see if I can get that. Oh, dude, it just went down, that bobber. There's a fish on it. I don't know how my line busted. Oh, geez, man, my line busted. Hold on here. The line busted. Look at him, look at him. He's spinning around. Let's see if I can pick him up with my net. Goodness, he's moving. He's running from me. He's right here, dude. My line busted. Yeah, he's right there. I gotta retie. But now I'm chasing my bobber because the fish is on the other side of it. He's heading your way, man. Get your net ready. He's heading your way. You see him? You see him right there? Look, look, look. You're gonna see the bobber. You're gonna see the bobber come up in a minute. Watch, watch. He's gonna have to come up eventually. I mean, dude, where did he go? He's right here. Where did he go? I think he saw your kayak and he took off. Oh, here he is over here. I'm telling you, man, the shit that happens, man. This stuff happens to me, man. It's crazy. I don't know how the heck. I'm gonna have to try to maybe put a top water on, because every time I get close, the line busted right before the when I set the hook. The line busted right at the lure. Yeah, it's right here.
Grab it. There you go. You got it, dude.
What do you know about that, dude?
Goodness.
Isn't that crazy?
That's crazy.
You all right? You all right? You all right? Wow, man. You talk about a weird circumstance. I'm retying right now, dude. That was crazy, man. See, that's why you take a GoPro, because stuff like that happens. You're not a keeper. Man, if it had been a bigger fish, oh, dude, I'd have been like, wow. Oh, he would have probably pulled a little harder. But I don't know why my line busted, but I'm gonna retie for sure. Got it. Oh, it's a nice speckled trout. Lively. It's a little one, not big enough to keep. Another speckled trout. Alright. He was lively. I mean, a good pull. Got him. Oh, yep, got a little one. I think he's a little one. Sometimes he'll surprise me. Yeah, he's a little one. Alright, another little one. Come here, buddy. Alright. Got him. Oh, it feels like a better fish. Oh yeah, this feels like a redfish. Yeah, it sure is. Gotta get him up here, get him out of my motor. Oh, he's a nice speckled trout. Oh my goodness. Wow. That is a nice speckled trout there, bud. Woo! Nice speckled trout. Wow. excited about this speckled trout, people. Wow, look at this big girl. Look at that big girl. Yeah. Yeah, it's in the 20s. I gotta turn around and kayak so I can steer it so it doesn't. Powerful left. What the? Let's see how big this girl is. See if I can turn to the right. Power pole down. I thought she was a redfish. Got it. Got it. Speck. He sucked it up. There we go. Let's see if he'll keep. Oh yeah, he'll keep easy. Wow. Just caught this keeper trout on a popping cork. Come here, buddy. That's a nice trout there. Get this hook out of him. He'll go 18. He might go 19. Oh, about 18 and a half. That's a keeper trout all day. Well, there's my limit of trout today. My biggest went 20 and a half. I got some 17s, 18s. But yeah, trout, we're on fire today. Well, YouTube, we're gonna call it a day. I got my twin Cuate from San Antonio. He was here. He told me during the week, I said, man, it's gonna be kind of windy today. He didn't care, he still wants to be on the water. So we came out here this morning, it's probably 15, 20 to 25 mile an hour winds, but hey, we did well. I got a limit of speckled trout. Trout were on fire today. Cuate got a speckled trout, he got a few on his side, so it really didn't do bad. I want to give God the praise and thanks, as always. And yeah, it's going to be the 27th, right? 27th, Saturday. And the winds have calmed down, but I guess they're what, 15 now? 15 to 20? Maybe? Yeah. 17. Yeah, so yeah, it's still kind of windy, but hey, we got a beautiful sun, can't complain. We're on the water, we're doing what we love to do, we love to fish. And I want to thank you for watching my channel. Me and Cuate are going to say tight lines and peace
Tight
out.
lines.
All right, we'll see y'all. Later.